This is my 1993 E36 389. I bought it about a year and a half ago. Pretty plain Jane, stock. And ever since I bought it, I've been doing a few things here and there to make it a little bit more decent looking, for me at least. Went ahead and did the M3 front bumper conversion. Got the M packet side skirts and M wheels as well, and a few other things that I'm gonna be doing to it. I just recently got the side skirts for the car that are actually the M3 side skirts right here. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack them and put them side to side with the M packet side skirts so you can all see the big difference on the side skirts itself. So here you have it. You can see the M packet just has a contour line underneath the skirt itself, whereas the M side skirts, they actually cross each other. The lines from the back and the front cross right around the middle of the side skirt. So it's a bit different. It is not like the M packet where it's just one line all the way back. This one just actually seems like there's a line from the front and then the other one from the back coming in towards the middle, and they cross path. At least that's the way I see it. So yeah, I'm gonna have these skirts painted, as well as the rear bumper that I got for this car. So it can actually get that M look all the way around, except for the moldings on the side. I'm still looking for them, but more than likely I'll just buy them new, and then the car will be complete outside, at least in my view. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'll change the size, the brakes, so it goes with the look as well. Actually, I did order some cross drill rotors for the rear, so that'll actually give it a more sporty look. And in the front, I'm not gonna change the brakes in the front since I don't have the power warranted for bigger brakes, at least for now. The reason why, I already have an M3, so if I really want to go fast, I'll just get in my M3 back over here and drive fast. 520 horsepower.